Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ann Scarberry. Today I'm going to be making an old school style recipe using some cherry Coke. I'm using one of our old family cookbooks and I'm changing it up a little bit to make a cherry Coke chocolate cake. I want to say a quick thank you to all of my new subscribers, everyone who is liking and commenting and have hit the subscribe button. That means so much to my brand new channel here. And if you haven't already, please hit the pause button and go hit subscribe if you like the style of cooking, baking, all things homemaking. That's what I will be featuring on this channel. I have a lot of plans for 2023. I'm just getting all my ingredients out right here. I have a cup of cherry Coke, a half a cup of vegetable oil, and I'm going to drain these cherries and get a fourth of a cup of cherry juice. I'm going to take that entire jar of maraschino cherries and chop them up nice and fine. I'll put the complete recipe along with the detailed ingredient list down in the description below. To put the cake together, I'm just going to add everything to the bowl of my stand mixer and mix it all together. We're going to spray a 9 by 13 inch pan and bake this at 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. While the cake is baking, I'm going to run 4 cups of powdered sugar through a fine mesh sieve. This is going to get rid of all the lumps that are in the sugar, and it'll create a much creamier frosting. Back in the bowl of our stand-up mixer, I'm going to put 1 stick of butter and I'm going to cream that until it's nice and soft, and then I'm going to add 1 jar of marshmallow cream. This is the 8-ounce jar of marshmallow cream, just a little bit over a cup. I'm going to slowly add this powdered sugar just a little bit at a time, just so it doesn't get all over the kitchen, and it just gradually incorporates in with that marshmallow cream and butter. And then I have a fourth of a cup of that cherry juice left over. I'm just going to slowly pour that in. I had another jar of maraschino cherries in the fridge, and I decided to chop some up and put about a half of a cup of chopped cherries into this frosting. I added a teaspoon of almond extract, and my daughter was standing here talking to me. That's who I'm talking to. And she said to put a pinch of salt into the frosting. It kind of wakes up all the flavors. I'm just spreading this frosting over a cooled cake, and then I'm just going to grab a butter knife and score just a grid of pieces that I'll cut later and place a fresh cherry on each piece. I would have liked another maraschino cherry on top but with the stems on, but I couldn't find them, so I just used fresh. This cake is definitely full of flavor. You taste cherry, the chocolate is so rich, and you actually do taste the cola flavor. Did your mom ever do this with leftover frosting? Just put it between 2 graham crackers? We used to do this when our kids were little, and I just leave it on the counter in case anybody coming through needed a little snack. I think this is a good place to end this video. If you don't mind, please make sure you hit the like button and maybe leave a nice comment if you think you're gonna try this. Let me know if you'd like to see more recipes like this one. I will see you all in the next video.